Ready to add style and function to your living space? Then it's time to install your roller shades from Blindster. Let's get started. First, make sure you have these tools handy, as well as all the original package contents. Now, we'll show you an inside mount starting with the brackets. The bracket for the cordless solar shades will have a left and right bracket. Grab a pencil and mark your screw locations with the brackets. Then go ahead and pre-drill your screw holes. Now you're ready to mount the brackets. Take your screws and brackets and mount them where you've pre-drilled your holes. Install the shade with the round pin end going into the bracket first, then the flat pin end going into the other bracket. Remember, not all lift types will have the same brackets, so check your installation instruction packet for more details. This is a completed inside mount. When completing an outside mount, your finished product should look like this. Voila! You've installed your beautiful new shades with no trouble at all.